Right, now we're going to enable the chime function. We're going to enable the chime function on the shock detector. Could easily be a door contact. First thing you have to do is go and program the zone. So to program the zone, you need to enter in your engineer code. Go to menu 52, go to zones, pick the shock detector, which is this one here, and then we're going to change option 3, which is chime. Going to turn that on. Press an enter, and then we can escape back out again. Now we are in engineer mode, but we don't need to be in engineer mode to turn on the global chime for the keypad. So you can be a manager now. Enter, and then we go over to option 15, which is chime, and we have to turn the chime mode on. Then I press enter, and then we can come out and activate the chime. Straightforward.